Hi friends, this is the code for counter operation in 8051, and I'm performing the counter operation using interrupt. So whenever I press an interrupt, the counter counts. So my code goes like this. Let's see the output. As you can see, once I reset my microcontroller, it directly goes to the vector address 000H where it starts performing the instructions. Now since I'm using an interrupt here, I'm directly jumping to my main function, and now in this step I'm moving the value 81 into interrupt enabled register, which means I'm enabling the interrupt, and also I'm particularly enabling interrupt 0 here. Now in the next step I'm moving the value 505 into T mode, which means that I'm using timer 0, and I am using it as a counter. 5 in the binary is represented as 101. I mean, in this case 0101. The 1 here represents that it is a counter, and 01 says about its mode. So if we run this, see, as you can see, it's 16-bit counter. And in the next step I moved the values into TL and TH. Now I'm starting the counter, and I gave a statement sjump dollar, which means it will stay in the same step until my interrupt request is enabled. Now if I
Now as you can see here that we are using interrupt 0, so uh, when we will uncheck this 3.2 value, the request of the interrupt 0 will be enabled. Here request will become 1. As you can see, when I'm unchecking this, the request has become 1. Now uh, now it will go to the interrupt routine. Now as you can see, when here we are using complementary P3.4, means that 3.4 will, if this is ticked, it will become off, and again it will become on. Now here we haven't given the delay, but in the hardware operation it is very much necessary to give the delay. So after this we are just moving the value of TL0 to the accumulator, and after that we are moving the value of accumulator to the port 1. Then as you can see here, the value has been moved. Now we are giving return interrupt, which means it will be returned to from where the request has been enabled. It just went to sjump dollar, then the operation will end.
So this is the simulation in Proteus, and as you can see, I've connected LEDs to port 1, and this LED on the right end is LSB, and it goes on like this. And if I run it, initially everything will be off because I didn't count any. Now as we know, port 3.4, I mean pin 3.4 is for counter operation. If I just complement it twice, you can see that the count is 1. Now if I do it again, the count is 1 0, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes on like this. So that's all it is. Thank you.